Hello, good food lovers. You are welcome to God's Kitchen. Today we have boiled yam and egg sauce. This is a very delicious and rich recipe that you need to start your day. It's packed with protein and carbohydrate. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share so that you will not miss any of the recipes from my kitchen. For this recipe, these are the kitchen basics that we are going to be needing. We have yam, eggs, tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper, ginger, garlic, oil, and basil, and salt. First, I'm going to cut the yam and peel it. You can also use potato, cocoyam, plantain, yuca, or cassava to replace the yam. Sometimes when I cut my yam and if the yam starts to oxidate, that is trying to turn to like a red or black color, I normally use lemon juice to stop this process of oxidation, just to maintain the whitish color of the yam. I'm just using the lemon to scrub off the areas that has already turned like red or black. Yeah, this is not compulsory. You can just, cut your yam and boil it like that. But just to maintain the brightness of the yam, I try to do that. So after cleaning the yam, I'm going to be putting it in a pot and transfer it onto the stove for cooking. So right now, I'm going to be cutting up the tomatoes, onion, and the pepper. Yes, now I'm finished with the prepping of the ingredients, and I'll be starting by adding some oil in the pot on the stove. Feel free to adjust your oil or your ingredient based on your needs and your taste. Yeah, so as we are flipping it, we're going to cook it for another 1 minute, not too long, because we don't want to overcook the eggs. So the egg sauce is ready. We're taking it off the stove, and we're going to get ready to serve it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to God's Kitchen so you can get more recipes from my kitchen like this. And then don't forget to drop a comment below to let me know if yam and egg sauce is one of your go-to breakfast, or you let me know how you are going to make yours if you're going to be trying it for the first time. You can watch more healthy recipes on my channel from time to time. And now let us try this out. And this is so good. I like to eat this with my hands. It tastes so well. So thank you for watching. Watch more videos and I'll see you in my next. Remain blessed. Bye for now. Bye bye.